So I'm going in Ollie's. I need to pick up a couple things. This is not like no tour or nothing. I need to pick up some zip ties and some more of those bamboo sticks. I'm not sure where else I'm gonna go. I may go down. They got a new store down there. I may go down there. I'm not sure, but let's just go ahead and enjoy this little vlog.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground, let you know that I'm always around. Cause I know we can make it, yes we can make it if we try. Keep on trying. You got it. I believe in you. You got it. I know you got this. You got it. Just keep on trying. You got it. There's been a lot of bumps in the road. Oh yeah. Always carrying that oh so heavy load.
Y'all, so just left out of Ollie's. It's just me, Oronde, and Tatiana because Kylie and Rod is at their testing site for school. They have to do their end of the year tests, EOGs is what they call it, and they have to go into a testing site and do their tests that way because they're homeschooled. Okay, so I'm glad I went in Ollie's. So we get the bamboo sticks. If y'all watch the Ollie's vlog, I had got those 4-foot bamboo sticks. Okay, they 99 cents a pack. So that's what I thought I was getting when I went back in there. We get to the car and realize that the bamboo sticks, I look at the thing, they 6-footers, y'all. The ones I got the other day was 4-footers. And I didn't see no 6-footers, but I know just in a matter of about 2 or 3 days of being in there, go back in there, they done put more stuff out. These are 6-footer packs for 99 cents. It is 6 states. They're 6 feet for 99 cents. So I'm coming back later this week, and I got 12 packs. I'm gonna come back and get 12 more packs. Probably tomorrow, probably this whole week, because I cannot have too many bamboo sticks. Okay, I cannot have, and they 6-footers. So you may have to go into stores over and over to see what they have. Okay, because you may find something different every time. It's just a matter of a few hours that they bring more stuff out, and it be different and all that. You got to check your out. This is about bargaining, getting what we need on a budget. Okay, y'all. So they just built us an Ace Hardware. We normally would go up towards Cedar Point, well, Swansboro to go to Ace. They just built us one and they open. So we about to go in here up in the see, because y'all know I get bargains from Ace too. I'm about to go up in here and see what I can find, y'all. Hope they got some S-hook. I need some zip ties because they didn't have none at Ollie's. Y'all, so I'm in the...
You taking hang planks on S-hooks and things?
No, I need these for pots and pans to hang those on, like if you putting pots and pans on racks or whatnot.
Okay, we'll show some S-hooks down here.
All right, y'all. So I'm in Ace and we're looking for the S-hooks, y'all.
So there's some S-hooks here.
Okay.
Now we did have some longer looped white ones that a woman just came in and bought all that we had.
Oh, Lord. Yeah, I have a metal rack and I have my pots and pans in the kitchen. I want to hang the pots and pans around it to give me more space on the rack.
Right.
So I would need some. These look like they may be. What you think for that rack? Alright, y'all. So I needed zip ties out of here. Ooh.
Big bags, little bags, short ones, long ones. Anything you're looking for.
Okay.
Black, white.
Oh, I've been using black. I usually try to do black or either green. It don't matter.
They have green. They have green down here, the small ones. Yeah.
Okay.
Different colors here. I don't think the green ones come in too long of length though.
Mm-hmm.
They're more or less 8 inches.
Okay. I may be able to, because I'm using them for plants, so. Oh no, those are really small. 8 inch. See. Oh, these should be good. I'm wondering, because you get more with the 8 inch. I mean, with the 4 inch.
Yeah, you get a lot more, right?
But some of them tomato plants are just thick, so. Yeah, I need bigger ones. Okay, y'all. So 100 count zip ties for $10. Can't beat that with a stick. So I'm gonna be getting these.
Okay.
All right, y'all. So I did find some S hooks and got some zip ties from in there. Yeah, they was nice. I asked could I film, and I guess because they weren't used to it or don't know, like, you know, what I do, they was kind of cautious because they wanted the man. They said I could film as long as the employee tagged along and walked with me. And I'll get it. It's a new store and stuff. Y'all know I normally film at the other one, but it's no biggie. They don't have no problem up there. Don't nobody like tag along or anything. But it's fine. It's new, and every store has their policy and stuff. And they was extremely nice and really pointed me to where I needed to go or whatnot. Well, really didn't have a choice because he had to tag along since I was recording. But yeah, so I got what I needed out of there, and now we need to find some food because the kids are still doing their school testing. So this is one of them days where I'm doing mama duties. You know, well, I'm doing mama duties all day, every day. But this is one of them days where, you know, I gotta eat and I'm out. You know, my kids is taking tests and all that. So I gotta eat something out. So what I did get was KFC chicken pot pie, and I done already started eating it. I broke the top, and then I was like, oh, I need to show them what I'm eating. And I have a Pepsi, okay? That is what I'm having. Don't judge me because I'm doing what I got to do, okay? This ain't gonna hurt. This ain't gonna hurt if I'm not eating this daily, okay? Yeah, these right here is pretty. I got these to go in the front yard, 2 in the front yard and 2 in the backyard. These bins right here are really good, but you gotta make sure you get the right ones. See, these are deeper. They $5. These are $3. I get these right here. So I was in Dollar Tree, okay? So the kids, this is day 2 of Kylie and my son Rod doing their state testing for the end of the school year because they're homeschooled. So they had to be there at 8 a.m. this morning. So I went into Dollar Tree or whatnot. And y'all saw I found those planters, and I got a couple more of the plastic bins. But I'm on the lookout for some tables to go in my little screened-in area. So now I'm at Kohl's, and I think I done found the perfect table, okay? It's the next day, all right? So this is a 2-day vlog. It's the next day. But I do have some projects, okay, that I need to do. I don't know when y'all will get this video, but today is May 21st, okay? I don't know when y'all will get this video, but I got some projects that I want to do, I want to complete. So I'm looking for these tables, all right? So let's go in Kohl's and see if I can find them. What's what? It's the makeup stuff.
Well, no, I mean put it in the fitting room and then put that one there because they're the same width, so you can slide it in there. But if we can't get it over there,
That's what I'm saying. I don't know if it'll go all the way over. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Where would your tables be?
Sorry?
Like outdoor tables?
right in the
In
back.
a far corner there, you'll see it right before Toy. So make a left at the next intersection there where you see all that decor.
All right, thank you.
All right, if you need more help, let us know.
Yes, sir. All right, y'all. I hear music, so I don't know how long I'll be able to record without doing a voiceover.
I will not bow down. Keep putting me off, I'm not gonna change my mind. You're headstrong forward, but this time around I'm taking my time. Don't push me, I'm not coming down, I'm not giving up. Oh, don't rush me, I made up my mind, going straight to the top. Ooh.
So I wanted to show y'all, this is the screened-in house, pop-up house, portable screened-in pop-up tent. It may say screened-in house, but yeah, I love it, y'all. I love it. So when I went to I'm not gonna go in right now, it is closed up, but I just want to show you, I did put bricks all the way around it. It is a 6x6 screened in house, And it don't come with no floor. I bought the grass floor from where I get it from, Lowe's, okay? And these are the 2 red tables. I got some more decoration to do, but I did want to show y'all. And this is what it looks like up here. This is like my sink area. I gotta clean this off now, but it's like my sink area. My sink is under there. But like my salad area, that'll be like the little cute little view. Got some more cleaning stuff to do, but yeah, but this is the main thing right here. And I know the gardening is on a garden channel, but I just want to give you a look at what's going on out here. I'll talk more about this on Amazing Grace Garden, but look at the garden, y'all. Look at the garden. Oh my goodness. It's yes. I just been trying to get these kids done with they in-person school tests for the end of the year, so they've been having to go to a location to do their state testing. So that's why I haven't been able to film too much, but I'm getting back on track, y'all. So be expecting videos on Amazing Grace Garden Channel and more vlogs over here.